Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, September 12th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So on the dollar Swiss, we did have a pretty nice little push down yesterday. Now, we have to keep in mind the trend is definitely down on these higher time frames. These are definitely all lower highs. So anything we see to the upside, we still kind of need to assume could just be a pullback within a downtrend. So keeping that in mind and keeping in mind that the trend is always our friend, taking it down to the 1 hour time frame is where we put our Fibonacci retracement on here. We watch our Fibonacci level, someplace between the 38 and the 78%. If we get some sort of a three-way pullback to one of these fib levels, then a nice engulfing move to the downside, I definitely would take it as a short because, like I said, 4 hour time frame trend is down. Technically, the daily trend is down also. So, as always, the trend is your friend, and the more profitable, more high probability trades are almost always going to be trading with the higher time frame trends. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.